If you're having trouble going online in the Uber driver app, don't worry. This guide walks you through the legit and easy steps to fix it using official Uber approved methods. First, you have to check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a strong and stable network. Try toggling between Wi-Fi and mobile data or move to an area with better signal coverage. Step 2. Update the Uber driver app. Head to your App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android and check for updates. An outdated version of the app can often prevent you from going online. Step 3. Restart and reinstall the app. Close the app completely and restart your device. If the issue is still there, uninstall the Uber driver app and reinstall it from the App Store to ensure you're working with a clean install. Step 4. Check your account status. Go to your Uber driver dashboard or check your email inbox to see if Uber has flagged anything like missing or expired documents, for example, driver's license or insurance. Incomplete paperwork can prevent you from going online. Step 5. Log out of other devices. If your account is signed in on more than one phone or tablet, this can cause syncing issues. Use the Uber app or website to log out from all other devices, then log back in only on your current one. Step 6. Contact Uber support. Still having issues? Reach out to Uber support directly through the app or website. They can provide tailored help based on your account and situation. Disclaimer: this guide is based on publicly available support advice from Uber Help and avoids any form of unauthorized access or third-party interference. It fully respects YouTube's terms of service, intellectual property rights, and community standards. Steps may vary depending on your region or app version. For account-specific problems, please contact Uber support directly. Now you're all set to fix that issue and get back on the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.